Hi, I'm Kyle,
I'm Navish.
And I'm Sean.
and we're Serendipity. Amidst the coronavirus outbreak, we have figured out that hospitals are a breeding ground for contaminants. So rather than being a safe haven for patients, according to the Alliance for Aging Research, 1.7 million Americans develop HAIs every year. Now, these hospital-acquired infections lead to 99,000 fatalities, which shows that manual cleaning is not only tedious, but prone to errors.
So people with weakened immune systems are especially at risk, especially the elderly and people who are already in the hospital who are sick, right? Others include people with medications that weaken their system and young children, such as infants. So if you have a facility like a hospital or nursing home, it becomes very hard to constantly maintain the sanitary environment.
Any place that houses patients at risk and people with compromised immune systems are a potential customer for us. We plan on targeting hospitals, intensive care units, and senior centers. With no technical knowledge required, companies from all different financial backgrounds can simply leave the robot running overnight.
We've seen that the problem is we're using humans to do a very tedious task. So why not use machines? Autonomy. What we've done is we've built an autonomous germ detecting robot that uses the camera to navigate and look for contaminants. The benefits of having this autonomous system is that it never needs to rest. And unlike a human, it can run overnight or even 24/7.
This robot can potentially help stop the spread of coronavirus. But what happens in a post-COVID-19 world? COVID shows how we need to adopt a hygienic mentality. Our product helps endorse safety and reassures people that they are safe from future pandemics and common day germs in commercial settings. So we created a differential swerve drive that can move in almost any direction. Using a complex system of gears, we can control the exact angle, position, speed, and direction of the wheel.
So in order to know where this autonomous robot is moving, we use a system of free spinning wheels called autometry. Normally, our wheels aren't very accurate when they're attached to motors, so this free spinning wheel is the perfect solution.
As seen in the drivetrain, we use a lot of custom 3D printed parts. The Shadowcaster is the main identification module. Attached to a linear actuator and with the help of the drivetrain, it can reach almost anywhere. Inside the Shadowcaster, there's a phone that scans for germs with a UV light that identifies germs in the dark. The light can be remotely turned on and off as it aligns with surfaces, creating total darkness. From there, the phone does its magic. Add the main components together, and we get a proof of concept. Our Mark 1 prototype is a fully functional demonstration of the main concepts we want in our project. This is what we managed to create, despite the COVID-19 constraints. The foundation is a concept of our drivetrain, with the autometry and navigation attached. On top rests the linear movement system and the Shadowcaster.
So our entire robot runs on a mid-tier Android phone, the type you find lying around anywhere. We have built an image processing computer vision pipeline into this phone, and you can see here on the far right image, the green spots are detected spots, contaminants. To maximize the utilization of our camera, we've also implemented a form of artificial intelligence, a neural network depth map detector. What this enables us to do is to detect the angle of surfaces and also have a global position tracking system.
Taking our positioning system and our computer vision algorithm, we're able to identify XYZ positions of where are germs that need to be cleaned, and also use this data to predict where germs prone to be, which saves resources and manpower down the line. And although what you see here may seem like a robust robotic system that autonomously detects germs and creates graphs, our project is more than this. Because robotics is not just robots, it's the people they help that gives robots their meaning. Thank you.